Hi everyone, it's Mimi. Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I have posted a new video. There have been some things that have been going on in my life that I am trying to sort through, and I may do another video on that. But for now, I am doing some destashes. The next several destashes that you will see on my channel are going to go toward helping paying some medical bills that really need to be taken care of. So I have gone ahead and reduced the prices of some of the destashes that I've already done videos on that I've not sold. I tried to reduce it as much as I can without basically giving it away for free, because like I said, I do need to pay these bills. So any of you that can help out, I greatly appreciate it. So with that being said, the first items that I have for this video are going to be my shaker TNs that I've done 2 videos previously on. Out of the 7 that I had available, I still have 4 of them left. And each time that I show one of the ones that are available, I will go ahead and link up at the top right as well as in the description box next to the specific TN of the previous video, where you can see exactly what is inside. And I previously had them for $47 shipped. I am now going to reduce it down to $40 shipped. So if you're interested in any of these 4 TNs, the shaker TNs that I have available, please go ahead and email me. And if you're not familiar with my destashes or anything that I have for sale, they are US only, PayPal only, through friends and family. I ask that you please pay promptly when I let you know if an item is available, just so that there's no confusion, and if I have other people waiting in line, they have the opportunity to go ahead and pick these items up. So let me go ahead and share with you the 4 shaker TNs that I have left available for purchase. Okay, the first one I have is the pink and gold mermaid. And if you guys are not familiar, these are all pocket size TNs. The inserts are all 3.5 by 5.5. So these are approximately about 4 inches, a little bit over 4 inches from the front, the width. And then the height will be about 6 inches. So these are perfect to fit in your purses. And the spine is 1 1/4. So again, this one is the, I really apologize for the glare, but this one is the pink and gold mermaid. So I have that one available. Okay, sticking with mermaids, I also have the lavender and glitter mermaid. I'm sorry, I think I maybe called it glitter lavender mermaid. So there's that one. I also have the beige floral. And lastly, I have this super cute cat lovers. I think this print is absolutely adorable. It has this like cat, I don't know if it's a bell, but super cute charm on the front and with a cute cat pen. So these are the 4 shaker TNs that I have available. Like I said, they were $47 shipped. I have reduced them down to $40 shipped, which I think is an incredible deal. And one other thing that I'm going to include in this video is I have one last flower and lace lot available. And for this lot, with all the flowers and tons of lace, I will go ahead and reduce this down to $32 shipped. And like you see it will come priority. Any of these items basically are fully ready to go. So as soon as I receive payment, they will go out in the mail the next day. So let me know if you're interested in any of the 4 shaker TNs that I have available, or this flower and lace lot. Like I said, if you're not sure what comes in each of these, I will have a link to each of their accompanying videos so you guys can take a look. It will be first come, first served. And like I mentioned in the beginning, anyone that can help out, I will greatly appreciate it. So let me know if you have any questions. I can be reached at the email address in the description box below. And I hope you guys are having a wonderful weekend so far. So please stay tuned for more destashes coming, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye everyone.